How to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can recover your Facebook password without your contact information. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So in order to recover your Facebook password without email and phone number, you'll not be able to do it from the application. You'll need to log in from the web browser, and then on the search box type in accessing and downloading. On the other page you'll be able to see a list of options, so then you'll need to click on the first link, that is facebook.com. Now you'll be directed to this page where you'll be asked to describe the issues. So you'll need to click on account access and troubleshooting. So you'll need to select the method of helping. So you'll need to click on the option that is my account was hacked. Right in between there's a section as hacked account, and under it there are a list of options. So you need to click on the first option, that is recover your account, if you think your Facebook account was hacked or if somebody else is using your account. So click on the arrow icon and then click on get started in order to proceed on. Once again you'll redirect to the, and then you'll need to slightly scroll down. So there will be an automated response. So you need to click on the option that is someone else gained access to my account. Just click on it and you'll be receiving an automated response. So what you need to do is you need to click on yes, I can still log in. As you submit the response, a link will be sent. So you need to click on this particular link, that is facebook.com/hacked. There will be a statement, so make sure to go through it before you proceed on. So click on my account is compromised, and then you'll be asked to log in, and then you'll be asked to enter in the mobile number that you currently hold or through which they can contact you. So type in the mobile number, and after that you need to click on search, and then the OTP will be sent through an SMS, and you'll need to enter in the OTP. And once you enter in the OTP on the other interface, that you'll be asked to reset your password. And that is how you can recover your Facebook password without email and phone number. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.